There are many of us who are suffering from some sort of ailment. Although many of us are taking medicines to treat the ailment and to make us feel better, there are certain side effects that can harm our bodies and our minds. Some of these side effects are headaches, blurred vision, dizziness, heart problems, kidney damage, mental breakdowns, even death if overdosed. If you are sick and tired of being overwhelmed by these side effect ridden medicines, here is a very useful feel good guide to seriously consider. This guide is an ebook called Ultimate Herbal Remedies. You will have 47 herbal remedies that have proven to be effective aids against common as well as some unique ailments. Herbs, often known as folk medicine, are made up of various types of plants that are used to cure specific maladies. And the great news is that such herbs does not contain those rigid side effects like in medicines that can cause you misery. So get yourself a copy of this wonderful ebook at the very low cost of only $5 at montysbooks.com. Your purchase will help me win my personal battle with heart and kidney failure. Thank you for listening in. I'm James Montgomery.